Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we celebrate the most legendary classic cars, vintage trucks, and timeless machines ever built. Today, we're diving into a hard-working American icon that earned respect on highways, job sites, and small-town streets across the country, the 1988 Chevy C-30 Tow Truck. If you love classic utility trucks with rugged character and old-school durability, you're going to enjoy this one. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more classic truck stories, vintage vehicle reviews, and automotive legends from every era. The 1988 Chevy C-30 Tow Truck was never designed to be flashy or glamorous. It was built for one purpose: to work hard every single day. And that is exactly why truck enthusiasts still admire it decades later. This heavy-duty Chevrolet became a symbol of reliability during an era when trucks were simple, mechanical, and incredibly tough. Whether it was recovering broken-down cars, hauling heavy equipment, or helping stranded drivers late at night, the C-30 proved itself as a dependable partner for towing companies all across America. At first glance, the 1988 Chevy C-30 instantly captures attention with its square body styling. The bold front grille, rectangular headlights, and muscular body lines give it a strong industrial look that perfectly matches its purpose. Unlike many modern tow trucks filled with aerodynamic curves and electronic systems, the C-30 had a straightforward design that focused entirely on strength and practicality. Every inch of the truck looked durable, from its thick steel bumpers to its heavy-duty rear towing equipment. One of the most impressive things about the 1988 Chevy C-30 tow truck was its chassis strength. Chevrolet engineered this truck to handle serious workloads without hesitation. The reinforced frame and heavy-duty suspension allowed it to carry massive towing rigs and recover vehicles much larger than itself. Owners often trusted these trucks for years because they could survive extreme conditions with proper maintenance. Even today, many surviving C-30 tow trucks are still operational, proving how well these machines were built. Performance. Under the hood, buyers could find powerful engine options that delivered the torque needed for demanding towing jobs. Many C-30 trucks came equipped with Chevrolet's legendary big block V8 engines, known for their durability and pulling power. These engines produced the low-end torque necessary to move stranded vehicles, trailers, and heavy cargo with confidence. The sound of a classic Chevy V8 rumbling through the exhaust remains one of the most satisfying sounds for truck enthusiasts around the world. Interior. Inside the cabin, the 1988 Chevy C-30 focused more on functionality than luxury. The interior was simple, rugged, and designed for long hours on the road. Large bench seats provided space for multiple passengers, while the straightforward dashboard layout made every control easy to reach. Drivers appreciated the truck's excellent visibility and commanding seating position, especially during difficult towing situations. There were no giant touchscreens or complicated menus, just dependable mechanical engineering built for hardworking people. What makes the 1988 Chevy C-30 tow truck truly special today is its authenticity. Modern trucks may offer more technology, but they often lack the raw mechanical character that classic trucks delivered so naturally. The C-30 represented an era when vehicles were designed to be repaired, modified, and kept alive for generations. Mechanics loved working on these trucks because parts were accessible and the engineering was refreshingly simple compared to modern systems. Collectors and classic truck fans have recently started appreciating square-body Chevrolet trucks more than ever before. The growing popularity of vintage utility vehicles has pushed trucks like the 1988 Chevy C-30 into the spotlight. Enthusiasts admire their classic styling, unmatched toughness, and nostalgic connection to American blue-collar culture. Restored tow truck versions are especially rare because many original working trucks were heavily used over the years, making surviving examples incredibly valuable today. Another reason the C-30 remains respected is its reputation for reliability. Tow truck operators needed vehicles they could trust at any hour, in any weather condition. The C-30 delivered exactly that. From snowy highways to hot desert roads, these trucks handled difficult environments without complaint. Their strong rear axles, durable transmissions, and dependable engines helped create a reputation that still lives on among classic truck communities. The tow equipment mounted on these trucks also adds to their unique appeal. Vintage boom systems, heavy steel winches, and classic towing arms create a mechanical look that modern hydraulic systems simply cannot replicate. Watching a restored 1988 Chevy C-30 tow truck in action feels like stepping back into a golden era of American work trucks. Every movement of the towing rig reminds enthusiasts of a time when machines were purely mechanical masterpieces. For many people, the 1988 Chevy C-30 tow truck is more than just a vehicle. It represents hard work, dedication, and American craftsmanship. It tells the story of roadside heroes who helped stranded drivers day and night. It reflects an era when durability mattered more than luxury and when trucks earned respect through performance rather than marketing. Today, seeing a restored C-30 at a classic truck show instantly attracts attention. The towering stance, vintage tow rig, and unmistakable square body design create a powerful presence that stands out among modern vehicles. Younger enthusiasts are discovering these trucks for the first time, while older generations appreciate the memories they bring back from decades past. As automotive history continues evolving toward electric technology and digital systems, trucks like the 1988 Chevy C-30 remind us why classic machines still matter. They connect us to a time when engineering focused on strength, simplicity, and long-lasting performance. That timeless character is exactly why this legendary Chevrolet tow truck continues earning admiration from collectors and truck lovers around the world. Thank you for watching Auto Luxury Channel. If you enjoyed this look at the legendary 1988 Chevy C-30 tow truck, make sure to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite classic truck, and subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more vintage automotive legends, rare work trucks, and timeless American classics. We'll see you in the next video. Did you like this feature?